Today I will show you how to secure your Gmail account using Gmail security settings. This video is very important if you want to protect your personal data and avoid hacking. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Now open the Security tab. This is where all important Gmail security settings are located. Let's start with password security. Always use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using your name or phone number as your password. Now scroll down and find two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification to add an extra layer of security. This means even if someone knows your password, they cannot log in without verification. Choose a verification method like text message, Google Authenticator, or security key. Google Authenticator is the safest option. Next, check your recovery phone number. Add a phone number that you always have access to. This helps you recover your account if you forget your password. Now add a recovery email address. This email will help you get your account back if your Gmail is locked. Scroll down and review recent security activity. If you see any unknown device or location, remove it immediately and change your password. Next, check devices that are currently signed in. Sign out from any device you do not recognize. Now go to third-party app access. Remove any app that you do not trust or no longer use. Turn on security alerts. Google will notify you if there is any suspicious activity in your account. Always keep your phone number and recovery email updated. Never share your verification codes with anyone. If you use public Wi-Fi, avoid logging into your Gmail account. Public networks are not safe for sensitive information. Finally, review your security checklist regularly. This will keep your Gmail account protected at all times. That's how you can secure your Gmail account properly. If you want to watch more new videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.